Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making gnocchi alla romana, which are very different from potato gnocchi. They are much easier to make and have a consistency similar to polenta. Topped with abundant cheese and butter, when baked, they form a crispy top but remain tender inside. They are the perfect side dish for stews or roasts with gravies, as they absorb the juices. Once again, the web surprises me. If you search for gnocchi alla romana on Google, you will find all the top recipes mentioning semolina flour as the main ingredient. Not at all. These gnocchi are made with coarse durum wheat semolina, in Italy called semolino, which is not semolina flour. Semolina flour is used to make fresh pasta and is remilled semolina. It has a much finer grain, ideal for preparing pasta and leavened products such as bread or pizzas. Not gnocchi alla romana. These are the ingredients you need, and make sure you buy the right semolina. If you cannot find it, you can use polenta instead. The quantities are in the description below. Pour the milk into a large pan with 1/3 of the butter, a pinch of nutmeg, and bring to the boil. Once it starts boiling, add the semolina gradually, stirring with a whisk, making sure it properly amalgamates without forming granules. Semolina only needs to cook for a few minutes. It's not like polenta where you need to stir for an eternity. Once it thickens, add the egg yolks and the grated Parmesan and stir until all of it is combined. On a flat baking tray, lay a sheet of parchment paper and spread the semolina while it's still warm. It should have a uniform thickness of about 1 inch, which is 2.5 centimeters. To make it flat, you can lay another sheet of parchment paper on top and roll it with a rolling pin. Remove the top sheet and let it cool down completely. With a cookie cutter, cut the semolina cakes. Butter a glass or ceramic baking pan. Use a nice pan, as you will have to bring it to the table. Place the semolina cakes into a row, slightly overlapping. You could have rolled the semolina into a tube and cut it into slices, but I like the flouted edges, and I knew you were going to eat the scraps by yourself. Drop it immediately. Top the gnocchi with abundant butter and sprinkle with freshly grated Parmesan. Bake in a hot oven at 390 Fahrenheit to 200 centigrade until crisp. It should take about 25 to 30 minutes. Serve immediately with a nice rich sauce like this lamb ragu, or with mushrooms and grilled cheese. Check out the playlist above if you're interested in more easy side dishes to make for a dinner party. For more wrong Italian recipes you can find on top of the Google search, check out the video above. And don't forget to subscribe. It makes you wonder if those recipes were ever actually made by the author.